What's up, guys? Gavin here from Gavin's Our West World. Today we have the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Look at that. So we're just gonna unbox it. And by the way, this isn't mine. This is my dad's. So, ready? Let's do this. Oh, there's some dust. Yo, that's so satisfying. Not more satisfying than the plastic peel, but it's still very satisfying. All right. Here it goes. No! This is so cool. Now just satisfying peel. That is so cool. Now I'm just gonna turn it on real quick. See the 120 hertz. Oh my god. This isn't even mine, but I still, yeah. Let's do this. No way! That's smaller notch. The 120 hertz. Oh god. It looks so good. I'm like geeking out now. So with that, so what's in the box? So of course you have the box itself. You have these pull tabs. You have the phone. You have this brand new seal that they put on the iPhone 12. So instead of plastic, it's paper. So I'm just gonna see if I can reapply this. Oh yeah, just like that. And now with that, you get the brand new box. You get USB-C to Lightning cable. You get instruction manual and all that stuff. SIM eject tool, the one Apple sticker, and just the manuals and all that stuff. So, yeah. But there is one thing in this box that I'm keeping. That is the box. So, yeah, I have a box clash myself. So, but yeah, that was the unboxing. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe. And I will see you in the next one. Peace!